Today we are talking about JavaScript. So what is JavaScript? Do you know what is JavaScript? JavaScript is mainly a client-side scripting language that is used to interactivity in the web pages, but it can be also run in the server side. Means JavaScript is a client-side scripting language that is runs in the browser. That is primarily runs in the browser. It was not created for the running in the server, but after getting after some time in 2009, the node JavaScript team decides to create JavaScript for the backend side as well. So JavaScript is created when so JavaScript is created by Brendan H in 10 days. So you can imagine it is just a language that is created in just 10 days. And JavaScript created in 1995 by Netscape company, and the first name of JavaScript is Mocha. The Netscape Navigator named JavaScript as Mocha, but after getting some time in 1996, the name was changed with LiveScript, and it was LiveScript because it is a scripting language. But after some in 1996, the basic market is captured by the Java, and because of the Java popularity, the Netscape team decides to name JavaScript decide the name JavaScript for gaining the popularity of Java. So for that, the Netscape team decide to change the name of LiveScript to JavaScript. So there is nothing similar in Java and JavaScript. These two are totally different language, but the Netscape gaining popularity, it takes the name of JavaScript. And in 1995 there are two companies. First is JavaScript and second is Java JScript. And Netscape JavaScript is supports in only Netscape Navigator, and the JScript supports only the Internet Explorer. So JavaScript can't be support in the Internet Explorer, and JScript can't be support in the so in the JScript can't be support in the Netscape browser. So ac- in 1996, it was the conflict. There are two language, they are competing with each other. So some so after some sort of discussion, that it decide just in the international standard. So it is decided that we should make a standardization. So the company that is named ECMAScript, it decides to standardize the JavaScript, the languages for the standardized language for the browser. So every language should use that standard for the browser. So for that, they created the standardization process. So ECMAScript is a standardization organization that creates the ES script, ES script, ES ES1 version of that script. So every browser should follow that script. According to that script, they should follow that script. So ECMAScript is every time releasing releasing every update according to the